to shut down my computer using this type shortcut? Just right click on desktop, point to new and click shortcut. Now here type the location of shortcut. Here type shutdown space -s space -t00. Then click on next. Then type a name for shortcut as you want. Turn off and click finish. Now I want to change the icon of this shortcut. Right click, properties, on the shortcut tab, change icon. OK. Here from this list select an icon. This is shutdown icon. Click on OK. Apply. OK. Now you can shut down your computer by double click on it. With the help of this you can shut down your computer easily. Double click, shutting down. You can easily shut down your computer by double click on this shortcut.